So today I went on a hunt for a snapback frame and I really did find a reasonable price on one, so I bought it. In our industry we use snapback frames for a lot of reasons to display artwork almost anywhere that you put up the snapback frame. But then I came across a new range of frames offered by AM.CO.ZA, so you know me, I just had to compare it. Well, let's go. We're here in AM's showroom and I want to go straight into the comparison and just to explain to you and show you our normal generic snapback frame that we all know for many years. Now this one is quite flimsy and like our normal snapback frames, it has just got a small backing and all you got to do is just open each side, remove this clear film that's inside here and put your snapback poster in and then go ahead and close it back up. But obviously it needs to be hung up on a wall. Now that's just going to display a normal poster on whatever color you've printed as it is. But what if I told you there was something better? Let me introduce to you the one that AM is now bringing out, and this is their version of a snapback frame. Now this one has got a glass front, which is quite nice. It's got a very thin border here on the side. A very small bezel here compared to our traditional, which has got a much wider frame on the side, and this one you actually get more out of your snapback than the traditional one, and it also takes up less space. But here's the kicker, this thing is an LED. So all you need to do is go ahead and hang it up on the wall, and then from the top you just slide in your poster in this gap that's here and it won't just fall out. And then check this out, all you need to do is just plug in a 12-volt power supply and the LED will switch on. And there you have it. What a cool idea this is. I mean, not only is it just a snapback frame, it's also an LED signage frame which is used for so many different applications. And look how bright this is, just lighting up my face. This can work almost anywhere. That means that you could pretty much use any desktop printer of any quality and any kind to print yourself the poster, and then just go ahead and grab your snapback frame, slide it in, and then once you switch on the LED, it is turning it into a high quality frame with that LED backing, and that makes all more sense to buy something like this. Now on the back here we've got a really simple setup. We've got these sliding bars here that move around and they've got a thread inside each of them. Now all you need to do is just have a double-sided thread so that you can screw it onto these two, and they shift left to right just in case you put the screw into the wrong place and you need to move your frame or adjust it, and that's also for the sides as well. For less than the price of your original generic snapback frame, you are getting from AM something that's a lot better in design with a sleeker bezel, and you're getting that LED frame which you're not with your generic one. So let's talk about size. Well, we have got so many different sizes available for you, as little as an A4 all the way up to 800 by 1.2, which is going to give you a lot of options for your customers, which is fantastic.
The LED frames from AM.CO.ZA are thinner and stronger than traditional frames and light boxes. The tempered glass makes them very robust. They are energy efficient and boast an impressive light distribution across the entire surface. The LED frames are available in an assortment of sizes, and many other exciting options and accessories will be made available soon as well.
If you want to know more about these frames and even purchasing them, all you got to do is contact sales at am.co.za and they will help you out.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with am.co.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za, achievement matters.